Stinker Heads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. What we're looking at here are early images of another Kobe 6. This one is called the Dodger. I really do like this colorway because it's very brilliant. And one thing is very unique about this Kobe 6 that we don't normally see on the other ones is if you look closely, we do see that red 8 on the side. I do think that's a nice touch for this shoe. We'll go in more details about this shoe in the future, but I'm just trying to give y'all some early looks at this shoe. Let us know down in the comments, are you rocking these Kobe's? And because I'm hearing that the Kobe 6 is one of the most comfortable shoes to rock as far as playing basketball right now. That's why you see most of the NBA players rocking those on the court. And let us know down in the comments, are you rocking those with Kobe's or dropping those Kobe's? So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 16th to the 22nd of February. So on February the 20th, we did have a Monster Inc. This was a collaboration with Crocs. They did release two pairs of shoes. One was called the Sully. One was called Mike. Congratulations, because the Sullys did sell out. However, the Mike pair, which is the all green pair with the big eye on the front, they still are sizes available in men's 6 through 12 are available on the Crocs website. So if you still need these, go ahead and check them out, sneakerheads. What we got next, my brother?
So on February the 21st, we did have a Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy. Price point for those were going for $230. And according to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. Once again, all sizes did sell out. So nice work.
So the next shoe that we have on the list that released on February the 22nd is the Jordan 3 Lucky Short. So believe it or not, these are still available on Nike.com if you still need these. I did end up hitting a pair of my size on StockX for under retail. I got mine on the bid for like $140. I still not have an unboxing with that, so stay tuned with that, sneakerheads. But they're still available if you need them on Nike.com. Men's size 7 through 10 and a half are still available on Nike.com. Let us know down in the comments were you able to cop you a pair. But I knew that this shoe wasn't going to do well because at the time of this week's release, we did have a lot of heat released the week prior. Air Jordan 1 High 85s released, well as some Kobe All-Stars released the week before. So I understand people couldn't buy all these shoes at one time. And also, since last year, the UNC colorway, they haven't been performing like they have in the past. I'm not sure what the deal with that is, but let us know down in the comments. Did you pick you up a pair, and are you rocking UNC colorways, sneakerheads? That's it, my brother.
Yes, sir. Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.